The habits that we develop in our 20s and 30s have a huge impact on how we look and feel when we are older. It is so important to treat your body with respect and care in order to maintain optimal physical and mental health as we age. Here are some avoidable culprits that speed up the aging process. But before everything, don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel for more updates. And turn those notifications on and watch the video till the end because the last point will blow up your mind. Number 1. Unhealthy eating. A constant diet of fatty, carbohydrate-laden foods is a huge cause of premature aging. Processed foods, red meats, white bread, and margarines cause inflammation in your body. This swelling can lead to skin flare-ups and wrinkle formation. These foods also add unhealthy levels of sodium, cholesterol, and fat into your body, increasing your likelihood of obesity. Eating more whole foods can decrease your risk of cardiovascular disease and diabetes. Fruits and vegetables are full of vitamin C, zinc, beta-carotene, and other nutrients that will boost your immune system, including fish, which is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, and whole grain, which are packed with antioxidants in your diet to promote healthy skin and reduce wrinkles. Number 2. Alcohol. While a glass of wine every now and then is no cause for alarm, regular drinking can cause you to look much older than you truly are. Alcohol is a natural diuretic, which means the more you drink, the more hydrated you become. Your body releases unhealthy fluids like water in order for it to perform its normal body processes. Insufficient hydration leads to damage to your organs and premature aging of your skin. By limiting your alcohol intake to 1 drink a day, you reduce the amount of work that your liver needs to do to flush out toxins and impurities from your body. The texture and moisture of your complexion will improve. You will lose unwanted pounds and your sleep will become more restful. Number 3. Stress. Nothing can age you quite as fast as a consistent sense of worry, anxiety, and stress. Studies have shown that prolonged period of stress can actually alter your DNA. Chronic stress caused by work, family unrest, or other triggers lead to increased blood pressure, sleep disruptions, and acne breakouts. These ailments all have a negative impact on how we age. Do your best to find healthy ways to deal with stress. Taking some time each day to unplug and enjoy some quiet solitude can go a long way towards reducing your stress levels. Number 4. Sleep deprivation. Insufficient sleep has become a worldwide epidemic. It has been widely proven that a lack of sleep leads to impaired cognition and memory performance. Over time, prolonged sleep disruptions can severely impact our immune systems, decision-making processes, response time, and other key brain functions. Sleep deprivation is also linked to a speed up in the aging process. Reduced skin elasticity, uneven pigmentation, and under-eye puffiness have all been linked to poor sleep quality. Many people say that as they get older, they need less sleep. It is true that as we age, our circadian rhythms change, thus affecting sleep patterns. However, studies show that it is still ideal to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Number 5. Smoking. It should come as no surprise that smoking is on the list. The list of ways that cigarette smoking negatively impacts on your health and aging process are endless. Illness such as heart disease, lung cancer, infertility, high blood pressure, and emphysema are just a few of the ailments caused by smoking. In addition to shortening your lifespan, cigarettes also affect your physical appearance. Smoking activates enzymes that break down elasticity of your skin. It also deprives your skin cells of needed oxygen, causing your skin to turn a greyish yellow pallor. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Make sure you subscribe the channel and hit those notification bell. And we will see you in the next video. Peace.